water cycle?
I know about water and I know about cycle. Then what is water cycle?
Do you know the formation of clouds?
No.
Do you know how rainfall happens?
No.
Okay, then we will watch a video where you can understand about water cycle.
Is it? I am so excited to see the video.
Okay, let's watch.
Water cycle. Water moves from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back to the Earth's surface in a pattern. This is called water cycle. Water cycle involves various processes like evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Let's go in detail. Process of water cycle. Sun heats up the water from the seas, oceans, rivers and lakes, and the water changes into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Plants also lose excess water in the form of water vapor from its leaves by the process of transpiration. When the water vapor rises upwards, it starts cooling down and forms tiny water droplets. These water droplets come together to form clouds. This process is called condensation. When the clouds become heavier, it falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail and snow. This process is called precipitation. Some rainwater seeps into the ground and is found as groundwater. The remaining water falls back to the lakes, oceans, rivers and seas. This process is called collection. Again, these water from water bodies will evaporate due to sun heat and the process will repeat. This circulation of water is called water cycle.
Manvish, did you enjoy the video?
Yes, sister, I enjoyed the video.
Okay, now I want to ask few questions related to the topic.
Sure, sister, you can.
Now tell me how clouds are formed.
The clouds are formed by the water droplets.
Very good. And how rain falls?
The clouds become heavier and falls as rain.
Very good.
Okay, what is evaporation?
The process of water changing into water vapor on heat is called evaporation.
Very good. Then what is condensation?
The process by which water vapor in the air changes into tiny water droplets and become clouds on cooling is called condensation.
Wow, it's the correct answer. The last question is, what is precipitation?
When the clouds become heavier and fall as rain, it is called precipitation.
Very good, Manvish. It's the correct answer.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.